I deliver your food, sir.
Good luck, Amir. I'm in space.
No worry, sir. I built different.
Anyways, if you take less than 10 minutes, I'll give you $2 tip.
$2 tip. I am coming to you, sir.
Wait, how?
I am flying. Coming to you, sir.
Bro, what? How do you even breathe?
Come on, sir. I built different. Sir, little problem. Space whale is here. Oh, he wants to steal your food, sir.
Holy, that thing is massive. Fight him.
No, sir. I have no enemies.
Amir, are you okay?
No worries, sir. Whale invited me on date. I call him George 1.
Riz app, help me out of here.
Respond with only if I could be your date.
Only if I could be your date.
No, sir.
Do you want $2 tip or what?
You right, sir. Coming to you. Whale, sir. I arrived. I have your food.
Let's go. Here's your tip, Amir.
OMG. Thank you. Now I can buy Indian mansion.